What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome to this video on Chainlink. Wanted to make a video on this because, I think there's interesting things to be said about Chainlink. Chainlink, as most of you know, is one of the biggest projects in crypto. And now the markets have been quite bullish in recent history. Let's say in the last 2 months, obviously not continuously, but quite bullish. And then you take a look at Chainlink. Which I know a lot of people actually buy. A lot of people have this in their portfolio. A lot of people like this coin. But then if you take a look at Chainlink against Bitcoin, it's been ridiculously bearish for a very long period of time. So the question is that I kind of want to explore in this video is that, well, is Chainlink actually ridiculously undervalued right now, and is it a great buying opportunity? Which I am leaning towards, all right, just to get that out of the way. Or is Chainlink just dead, and should you focus on other things, all right? Meme coins have been rallying like crazy. Should you give up, sell your link, and buy meme coins? So we'll talk about that, all right? Now, first of all, if you take a look at Chainlink compared to Bitcoin, it is bearish, essentially, but it's been consolidating in this region right here since the 21st of August and the 14th of October. And Chainlink, if you compare it to other cryptos, it has actually been relatively stable. So it's not all bad. If you look at Chainlink right here, we'll get into the analysis a little bit later. But since the 5th of August, it's been consolidating, and there's a ton of altcoins that have performed worse, right? So it's not the end of the world. But if you compare Chainlink to some other coins like Sui, Sei, but also coins like Solana or Uniswap, just in general, quite a lot of big altcoins have outperformed Chainlink. Now, what's causing that, I think, is a difficult thing to say, right? In the end, there's a ton of things influencing this. It probably has to do with the market maker. But Chainlink, one of the key reasons, in my opinion, is that Chainlink always is a little bit of the last coin to rally. I mean, if you talk about rotations in the crypto markets, the older veteran coins like Chainlink always end up last a little bit. And Chainlink is also associated very, very often with the RWA, the real world asset narrative. And we haven't seen the real world asset narrative pump or rally that much. All right, so I think that's another reason. And Chainlink in general is not really regarded, where you see a lot of coins right now. If you take a look at the top gainers right now, but I can assure you, if you're looking at this chart in a week or in 2 weeks, it will probably be the same. If you look at this, like, it's mostly meme coins that are performing relatively well. Meme coins and scam coins, right? So Chainlink, just being a solid project, providing actual utility and value, in my eyes at least, just ends up last a little bit. It's kind of like nice guys end last, right? But is there any truth to that, right? Is there any real reason why Chainlink should underperform? In the end, what you could say is that it's already valued at a relatively high valuation, at a $7 billion market cap. So not that many people are interested in that. It's already at number 14 in the list. Apart from that, what you can also say, if you take a look at this, for example, or take a look at this, you can also say that the tokenomics are not ideal for Chainlink, because there is still a lot of inflation to kind of keep their ecosystem going. And that's all true, but I cannot help but think there is a lot of potential for Chainlink, all right? And there's multiple reasons for that. The three main reasons why I think Chainlink is not dead, but that is an opportunity, is, well, first of all, the project is just not dead, right? The project is providing real utility and value to projects all across the space every single day, all right? If you take a look at their main product, their data streams, I still think they're the biggest in that. Maybe they're challenged a little bit by Pyth Network, and there's some other oracles out there, but they're still the biggest in that. CCIP, which launched earlier this year, was very, very hyped up, also caused some bullish momentum, is also still doing quite a bit, and you can actually see some sort of increased activity after a lot of activity earlier this year, but increased activity more recently. And this is also making real revenue, as you can see. So CCIP is still doing great. Their compute products, I'm not sure. But Chainlink itself, like, if you purely leave away the price, it still is providing real utility, and it's still very active also in their updates. They're still doing a lot of development. So no, Chainlink is for sure not dead. Now, if we take a look at the price though, it's been a little bit lagging, right? So what I would say, while I click it away, excuse me, what I would say is that I do think you need to keep an eye on Chainlink, but the main level to look at, in my opinion, and I think that's very clear on the daily chart as well, is this level right here, around 12.5. There's a ton of resistance there. We are now, I would say, in accumulation right here between ultimately $10 and 12.5 or $13. I think it's a matter of time. If you look at nature of Chainlink, if you look at the chance that the RWA narrative continues, which is another reason why I still do think Chainlink is an opportunity and not some sort of a dying coin. Once that starts going, we will easily be able to break out of this accumulation range. And once we have broken above this accumulation range, the first real target is this level right here between $15 and $16, which is already an amazing gain. But I would say if we actually do get a breakout here, there's a possibility to go way, way higher. All right. Now, if you really want quick, massive gains, then maybe Chainlink is not something for you, but I still do think that Chainlink will perform as a coin, and will start to move sometime soon. All right, I will not predict that, I will not speculate on that, but if we break above this level right here between 13 and 12.5, I do think we will see much more bullish momentum, and I also do think we'll get that breakout. All right. Those are my thoughts on Chainlink, fundamentally and technically. If you still do have any questions, either let me know down in the comments or join our Telegram or Discord groups. The latter is better, it's free, and there you can reach me more easily. But that's what I think you need to know. That's what I wanted to say. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.